Today we are going back to the Stone Age, riding this Suzuki RM-Z450. You all know she still got the kickstart, so I got to get my my leg muscles going. Sounds pretty quiet. Just putting along here. Sounds like a really quiet bike. Alright, so I'm not feeling 100% confident on this thing, so I might not be sending everything, especially first lap. Chain is like really loud. I just hear this chain slapping around. Like, do you hear that chain slap? Chuck, 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 chuck. Taste the crap out of that. Ah, not yet. No. Oh. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but this thing like came to a dead stop. That was weird. I don't know what happened, but it like came to a dead stop on that jump. It scares me. I don't want anything to ever go wrong with the bike and like send me over the bars or something, you know? Just that chain like scares me. The sound honestly worries me that something's going wrong, and I know it's not. It just sounds like it. There we go. I got enough confidence up to hit that at least. It handles pretty good. Like, the front end seems to be going exactly where I pointed, where I want it to go. So like, it's not my favorite bike. Like, I don't instantly feel comfy and gel with it, but it doesn't feel bad at all. The only complaint I have is that little chain slap. That little bit of chain slap just sketches me out. Oh, but it goes into that corner nicely. Keep it in third. Oh yeah, I'll get around there, no problem. Well, it's safe to say this thing actually handles great. Like, the cornering wise, the corner is great. The front end just feels so planted. It goes exactly where I want it to. Like this corner here. Oh, the front end just wants to go right into that rut nicely. Alright. I've gotten sketchy twice on this thing on jumps now. That's it for me. I mean, I don't really know what people complain about. You can jump on this RM-Z450 and rip it and have a great time. It doesn't have e-start, it's a kickstart, but this thing fired right up, no problem. It wasn't hard to kick it. The front end feels very planted. It feels like it wants to go perfectly straight. into those ruts and hold the corner no problem. So I really like that about it. I like my KYB suspension on my Yamaha a little bit more. Overall, this thing's solid. Alright, that concludes the video on this old yellow dinosaur. She's still a sweet bike. Go out and buy one. If you want yellow, just go out and buy it and have fun. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the little test ride video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.